Hello, and a warm welcome to our YouTube channel, where we make complex financial concepts simple for you. In our bustling world, owning a home is a dream many of us nurture. It's a mark of stability and a step towards financial security. But the path to buying a house is not always straightforward. One significant aspect of this journey is understanding home loans. Home loans can be a powerful tool for potential home buyers, offering a means to make that dream of home ownership a reality. Yet they can also seem daunting with their myriad of terms and conditions, interest rates, and repayment plans. That's why it's crucial to grasp the ins and outs of home loans before embarking on your home buying adventure. Today, we'll demystify the concept of home loans for you, so buckle up for an informative journey. So, what exactly is a home loan? Simply put, it is a specific amount of money that you borrow from a financial institution or a bank to buy a house. It's like having a financial partner for your dream home, one who lends you the funds now and you pay them back over a period of time. Imagine you found your dream home, but it comes with a price tag that's beyond your immediate reach. This is where a home loan steps in. A home loan helps bridge the gap between your personal savings and the total cost of the house, allowing you to make that dream purchase. But how does this repayment work? Well, you return the borrowed money over a defined timeline called the loan tenure. This repayment isn't just the loan amount, also known as the principal. It also includes an additional charge known as interest. This interest is essentially the cost you pay for borrowing the money. It's important to remember that the repayment is not a one-time affair. It's spread across the loan tenure in the form of monthly installments, commonly referred to as EMI or equated monthly installments. Each EMI you pay reduces the outstanding loan amount. Over time, as you keep paying your EMIs, you eventually repay the entire loan amount and the interest. So, let's recap. A home loan is a sum of money you borrow to buy a house. You repay this loan along with interest in monthly installments over a set period of time. That, in essence, is a home loan. But there's a bit more to it, so let's delve deeper. Did you know there are different types of home loans? Yes, that's right. Let's take a closer look. First, we have fixed-rate home loans. As the name suggests, these loans come with a fixed interest rate. This means your repayment amount remains the same throughout the loan term, providing stability and predictability. However, they may start with a higher interest rate compared to other types. Next up, we have adjustable-rate home loans. Unlike fixed-rate loans, the interest rate on these loans can change over time based on market conditions. They usually start with a lower rate, but there's the risk of the rate increasing in the future. Now, let's talk about FHA loans. These are insured by the Federal Housing Administration and are designed to help lower-income individuals or those with less than perfect credit scores secure a home loan. They usually require lower down payments and have less stringent qualifying criteria, but they do come with mandatory mortgage insurance premiums. There are also VA loans, which are exclusively available to veterans, active duty service members, and their families. Backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, these loans offer competitive interest rates, often without requiring a down payment or private mortgage insurance. However, they do come with a VA funding fee. Last but not least, we have interest-only home loans. With these loans, you only pay the interest charges for a certain period, usually the first 5 to 10 years. This results in lower initial repayments, but remember, the principal amount remains unchanged and will need to be paid off eventually. So, there you have it. Whether it's a fixed rate or adjustable rate, an FHA or a VA loan, or even an interest-only loan, each type of home loan has its own set of features, benefits, and drawbacks. Understanding these types can help you choose the one that best fits your needs and financial situation. Before you rush off to apply for a home loan, there are some factors you need to consider. It's not just about finding the perfect house, it's also about making sure you're financially ready to take on such a significant commitment. Let's start with your credit score. This 3-digit number is essentially a report card of your borrowing habits. Lenders use it to determine your credit worthiness. A higher score not only increases your chances of loan approval, but can also get you favorable interest rates. Next, consider your income. Lenders need assurance that you have a steady income to repay the loan. they'll look at your pay stubs, income tax returns, and bank statements. The higher your income, the higher the loan amount you can potentially get. Job stability is another critical factor. If you've been in the same job or field for a couple of years, it demonstrates stability, making you a less risky proposition for lenders. Frequent job changes, however, might raise red flags. Now, let's talk about the down payment. It's the lump sum you pay up front for your home. Typically, lenders require a down payment of 20 to 25% of the home's purchase price. But remember, the larger your down payment, the smaller your loan amount will be. Last but not least, consider your debt-to-income ratio. This is all your monthly debt payments divided by your gross monthly income. Most lenders prefer a ratio under 36%, including your future home loan payment. Remember, buying a house is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll make. These factors, credit score, income, job stability, down payment, and debt-to-income ratio, are all essential pieces of the puzzle. Keep these factors in mind to increase your chances of securing a home loan. Now that you're equipped with the basics, let's talk about how to apply for a home loan. The process may seem daunting, but with a little guidance, you'll find it's more straightforward than you think. Let's start with the first step, gathering your documents. You'll need proof of identity, proof of income, proof of employment, and credit history, among other things. These documents help lenders determine your ability to repay the loan. It's always a good idea to check with your lender for a detailed list of documents required, as it may differ based on the lender's policies. After you've got your documents in order, it's time to fill out the loan application form. This form will ask for details about yourself, your employment, your income, and the property you intend to buy. Be sure to fill out all the information accurately and honestly. Once your application is submitted, it goes through a process called underwriting. This is where the lender assesses your financial situation and the property you're buying to determine if they're willing to give you the loan. This process may take a few weeks, so be patient. While waiting for approval, it's crucial to read the terms and conditions of your loan agreement thoroughly. These documents will detail your loan amount, interest rate, repayment schedule, and any penalties or fees associated with the loan. Understanding these terms will save you from unpleasant surprises down the line. Once your loan is approved, you'll be notified by the lender. At this point, you'll need to sign the loan agreement and start your repayment schedule as outlined in your contract. Remember, applying for a home loan is a significant financial commitment. It's crucial to understand your obligations and be confident in your ability to repay the loan. And always feel free to ask your lender any questions you may have throughout the process. And that's how you apply for a home loan. So, there you have it. That's your crash course on home loans. We've journeyed together through the intricacies of what a home loan is, explored the different types available, and delved into the factors you need to consider before applying. We've even walked you through the application process. It's a lot to take in, isn't it? But remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to making such a significant financial commitment. As we've emphasized throughout, it's critical to do your research and not rush into anything. There's no one-size-fits-all home loan, and what works for one person might not work for another. So take your time, weigh up your options, and seek advice from professionals if you need it. They can provide you with personalized advice tailored to your unique circumstances. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more such informative videos. Until next time, happy house hunting!